Once your software order has been completed, your nominated subscription manager for your organisation will have received an email from Civil Survey Solutions with a registration link. Follow the registration link provided to register for the subscription centre using your email address as your username and creating a new password. The first tab is Account Details of your organisation. If you need to change any of these, please click on the link below where you can email us and notify us of any changes that are required. Contact Access defines what levels of access different team members within your organisation have to the subscription centre. The subscription manager is created by Civil Survey Solutions, so if you need to create more managers or need to reassign the access to another user, then you will need to contact us via the email. Underneath we have Staff Access, and here you can provide subscription centre access to team members within your organisation and assign the different levels of access. Clicking on the little information button will give you information about the different access levels. If at any point you need to temporarily stop access to the portal but do not want to delete a particular user, then you can always choose the No Access option. In the Assets tab, you can find all your current subscriptions, serial keys, the number of seats per license, and the expiry date of those licenses. You can also generate a home use license key. By clicking on the button, it will generate an email which will provide you with a serial number for home use installation. This will also be added to your assets list. For every active asset listed, you're able to generate a home use license. The Downloads tab provides you very quick and easy access to the latest downloads of all your Civil Survey Solutions products that you have on subscription. The Licensing tab provides comprehensive instruction for installing the software and activating your rental, standalone or network licenses. If at any point you need assistance with the licensing and installation, then you can use the Support tab to lodge support requests directly from the subscription centre. You can also search the knowledge base for solutions to any issues you may be experiencing.